How to fix Roblox not opening or launching. So to start, the first thing that you can do is by going to your startup menu. In here, tap on the power button and then tap on the restart option. So we are restarting our laptop or PC because this is the easiest way for us to close any background processes that may be preventing Roblox from opening or launching. After doing that, if it did not fix the problem, the next thing that you can do is by going to your search bar, type here settings, and then after that, tap on the open option. Under here, we'll have to go on the left part of our screen and then tap on the apps option. After that, go to this installed apps option, and then in here, it will show us all the apps that we have installed on our laptop or PC. What we need to do here is to look for the Roblox app. To do that, you can scroll down or simply tap on the search bar and then type here Roblox. Once you see the app, go to these three dots and then tap on the uninstall option. And then after uninstalling the app, the next thing that you can do is by opening your Microsoft Store. In here, we'll have to tap on the search bar and then type here Roblox. After that, tap on search. And then once you see the game, simply open it. And then in here, if you don't have the app on your laptop or PC, instead of play option, it should say here install. All you need to do is to tap on the install option and then wait for the Roblox app to be installed or downloaded on your laptop or PC. Once it's downloaded, simply tap on the play option, and then after that, simply log into your account and then you can start playing the game. So those are the ways on how you can fix Roblox not opening or launching. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!